안녕하세요. Welcome everyone again. So for today, we will break down the sentence she went to the restaurant into bite-sized Korean. To keep this sentence simple, we will only use the informal polite form. So in Korean, the grammar pattern will be she plus the topic marker particle plus restaurant plus the place marker particle and finally, the simple past tense of the verb went. So, in Korean, it is 그녀는 식당에 갔어요. 그녀는 식당에 갔어요. Okay, let us now break down our sentence. So the first one, we have here our topic noun she, or in Korean, it is pronounced as 그녀, 그녀. And the next one, we have here our topic noun she plus our topic marker particle nun. So if we put them together, it is pronounced in Korean as 그녀는, 그녀는. And now, we have here our place noun restaurant, which in Korean is pronounced as 식당, 식당. Next, we have here our place noun, restaurant, plus our place marker particle e. So if we put them together, it is pronounced in Korean as 식당에, 식당에. And of course, finally, we have here the past simple tense form of the verb went, which in Korean is pronounced as 갔어요, 갔어요. Alright, so let's put it all together, the sentence. So in Korean, it will be 그녀는 식당에 갔어요. 그녀는 식당에 갔어요. And now, it's your turn. Okay, thank you very much once again, and we hope to see you again next time. 화이팅!